Hello KLIFS TECH family, how are you all doing? Are you prepared for an upcoming compilation of new machinery? Oh then, get set. Let's begin by witnessing the astounding demonstration of this metal cleaning laser in operation. Just a reminder, laser stands for light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation. And yes, if you're curious, the speed of a laser is indeed comparable to the speed of light. Laser cleaners serve the purpose of eliminating the need for potentially harmful chemicals. Behind the scenes is the production of hydrating lip oil in the shade. How satisfying! Once the pattern is programmed, this pneumatic machine proceeds to engrave the design onto any metal sheet. For everyday household chores, we persist in employing simpler cleaning techniques, such as utilizing these brushes. This machine expedites the sorting process by categorizing the fish into 7 different baskets. At an incredible pace, this machine both inserts and secures the bristles simultaneously. Additionally, electric motors opt for copper due to its exceptional conductivity and efficiency. Using a zigzag cut and adhesive, this machine fabricates extended beams specifically designed for construction applications. Furthermore, copper's resistance to corrosion significantly enhances the lifespan of the motor. Additionally, what we observe here is a CNC machine, which stands for computer numerical control. These machines exhibit versatility, performing tasks such as drilling, milling, cutting, and more. Before planting seeds, it's essential to cultivate the fields by loosening and turning the soil to effectively break it up. The toast you enjoyed this morning was most likely sliced by a similar machine. It creates perfect, uniformly sized slices that are prepared for packaging and serving. This tool, equipped with 7 powerful jets, effectively eliminates all dirt and debris in just one stroke. Lenses can either be concave for myopia or convex for hyperopia. Multifocal lenses contain distinct regions with varying curvatures within a single lens, catering to different vision needs. This machine employs a robust vacuum pad to transfer the circles from one stage to the next with precision and efficiency. Guillotines are named after Joseph Ignace Guillotin, who, although not the inventor, advocated for their use as a humane method for the death penalty. Prior to the guillotine's introduction, book pages were manually cut using tools similar to scissors or shears. In this process, you can observe the compression of cotton after it has been harvested. Cylinder honing is a method that smooths surfaces to eliminate imperfections. These imperfections, if left unaddressed, might escalate friction and potentially lead to the seizing of the engine. This machine autonomously generates a swing with precise calculated movements without requiring any assistance. Remarkably, it can produce 180 swings every hour. The packaging machine seals plastic sleeves using heat and subsequently separates them into individual bags. Optimize hamburger production efficiency using this hydraulic machine designed for creating burgers. Plastic extrusion enables the creation of shapes without limitations on length, allowing for the formation of various forms and sizes. Instead of hand hammering, this worker employs a 100-ton press to forge a knife. The material being used is spring steel, an alloy capable of enduring significant twisting and bending without distortion. Throughout the process, as the worker works the steel, it gradually loses heat, darkening in color, and becoming more challenging to mold.
That was so much freaking fun.
The rods showcased here are utilized in formwork and constructing diverse structures. Reinforced concrete, often employed in engineering projects, is chosen for its ability to withstand substantial loads and stresses. Disposable chopsticks are created by cutting a single wooden square that's marked in the middle but partially cut. This allows the machine to shape it into chopsticks, with pointed ends while maintaining their connection until the final production stage. Production chains often incorporate modules, specifically designed for product delivery within their operational processes. Gems undergo cutting through a process of progressive abrasion, employing harder substances such as diamonds to shape and refine them. Similar to how guillotines are used for paper, saws are employed for cutting fabric. After stacking and aligning all garments, the pattern is affixed on the top, and subsequently, all pattern parts are separated from the masterpiece for assembly. Automating these processes eliminates the need for cutting each piece individually by hand, enabling more cost-effective products to reach a wider audience. Within the machine, melted sugar is transformed into the familiar flossy threads that we recognize as cotton candy. In this demonstration, a milling machine is reproducing a damaged piece. The previous component might have been compromised due to a gear malfunction. CNC machines exhibit precision ranging from fractions of a millimeter to micrometers, enabling accurate replication of intricate parts. The paint is propelled through a sequence of hoses using air pressure and then administered onto the roadway surface. Simultaneously, glass beads are also applied to enhance retroreflectivity. If you require meat chopping, this kitchen ally is here to assist you. Its blade-like arms tirelessly work until the food is perfectly prepared. Once the oval bar of ice cream is prepared, a handle is inserted. As the individual ice creams descend the machine, they are sliced and subsequently dipped in the chocolate coating. Various wheels made from diverse materials are utilized to polish different metals, each suited for specific metal types. These wheels are affixed to an angle grinder and operate at specified speeds tailored to the polishing requirements of the metal being worked on. In slow motion, you can observe how a drill bit systematically eliminates material from a bar as it rotates and penetrates into the surface. Typically, lathe tips are crafted from hardened steel. However, for specific applications, they can be constructed from materials like diamond or ceramic, tailored to meet distinct operational requirements. A 13mm depth of cut results in a highly polished finish on this aluminum piece. During the first cut, it removes 60% of the material, and on the subsequent pass, it takes away 45%. This process operates with a feed rate of 1,600 mm per minute at a spindle speed of 6,500 rate per minute. Pneumatic cylinders utilize compressed air to create pressure and generate mechanical movement or motion. In this demonstration, you can observe an automated on-site construction 3D printer that possesses the capability to print extremely large volumes, facilitating construction tasks efficiently. Bag-in-box wine is stored within a plastic bladder featuring an airtight valve, which extends from a protective fiberboard box. This machine is specifically designed for printed circuit board mounting purposes. It facilitates the installation of various components such as resistors, capacitors, transistors, and more. This process demonstrates how bark is transformed into flawless corks. Looking for a natural touch without using wood? Consider trying these sheets as an alternative. Before polishing them into gleaming basalt tiles, this machine cuts the larger rock bars. Breaking the stone without damaging it requires a substantial force concentrated in a small area.